Growing a local business can feel lonely and isolating. Struggling to find customers and promote my work effectively. It's truly challenging to grow your business successfully alone. Introducing GetService Partner, powered by GetRide. GetRide has officially become a global platform for users. Easily create a professional profile in just a few minutes. Please add your services, pricing details, and location. Showcase your best work for everyone to see and appreciate. Customers nearby can quickly and instantly find your business, increasing your visibility and subsequently boosting your income. Empower yourself to earn significantly more than before. Transform your skills into exciting new opportunities ahead. GetRide. Innovative services designed to grow your business.